Namaste everyone. If you are practicing your Parivritta Trikonasana but you did not prepare your spine, hamstring and hip muscles nicely, then definitely you will also face such challenges for balancing and for the strengthening. So let's prepare your body with the spinal mobility, hamstring opening and hip flexors strength. So let's start with our first practice. We'll work on the spinal mobility with some twisting in a standing position. So we'll be doing dynamic Kati Chakrasana. So stretching your both arms front. With every exhale, twist your body one side. Inhale front. Exhale side change. Now you can increase the pace. But whenever you move your body, make sure you are breathing mindfully. Inhale at the center, exhale while you are twisting. Now, while holding your twisting, to more make it deepen, we'll be doing some twisting pulses here. So, keep pushing your back shoulder and increase the twist here. Release and relax. Now, the next practice, again for your deep spinal mobility, the windmill practice, or we call it dynamic Konasana. So, lengthening your spine at 90 degree. With every exhale, stretch your arms out. Inhale, center. Exhale, change your side. You can repeat this practice 2 sets, 20 repetitions each side. And finally, stretching your arm out, look up and hold your twist. Very gently come up and relax. Now working on the side oblique stretches, we'll be doing some side stretches. So stretching your arms in shoulder line, feet almost 3 feet apart, one hand supporting your abdomen, another stretching upward. With every exhale, stretch your spine sideways. Inhale, come up. Exhale, side change. Same 2 sets of 20 repetitions each side. When you are holding, again to deepen your side bend, try to go for some gentle pulses here. Pulses always deepen your stretch. Slowly come out and relax. Now one more twisting, which is going to include your core strengthening also. We'll be doing some twisting push-up. Sitting in Dandasana, stretching your both arms in shoulder line. With every exhale, placing your palms behind both your hips. Bend your elbow and take your chest down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop. Make sure when you do the twisting push-ups, your both hips should be nicely grounded and your palms should be kept parallel to each other. While holding, bend your elbow and try to take your chest and head as down as possible according to your comfort. So after doing few dynamic stretches, you can hold each side for 20 counts. Now as the spine is nicely prepared, let's work with some hamstring mobility. So stretching your arms up, lengthen your spine, locking your foot with both your palms. With inhale, stretch, try to touch your head to your knee. Again, stretch your leg front, rotate your arm, open your chest and take your twist. Go back to the front, hamstring stretch, release, open your arms and twist. And both the position holding for 20 counts. And hold here. Slowly release and relax. Now after the hamstrings, we'll come to our hip flexors. And the first practice which we are going to do, that is a lizard twisting. So stretching your one leg up, placing it outside your same palm, back knee drop, back foot flat. With every inhale, stretch your arm back, twist your back completely, push your back shoulder. Exhale, palm back, back toe tuck in and coming into the extended Parshottanasana or pyramid stretch. Inhale, twist, exhale, stretch. Inhale, twist and hold. While holding, if your quadriceps supports you, fold your back leg, catch your ankle and deepen your twist being in the bounded lizard. Stay here for 20 counts. After releasing, same way coming into the extended pyramid. Again to deepen your forward stretch, extend your arms and taking your head as down as possible. Stay here for 20 counts. Very gently release and relax. Now for the next hamstring stretch, first we'll be taking Uttanasana or the Padhastasana with dynamic stretch. Then again we'll be holding the twisting. So we are keeping feet hip distance apart. Holding your waist, lengthen your spine, go down. Now catch your ankles. With every inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, take your head in. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch here all around your hamstrings. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. While holding, lengthen your spine, catching your right ankle with your left hand and stretch your right arm up and hold your hamstring with a deep twisting here. After holding 20 counts, release and change your side and the same stretch another side. Now coming front. Now the next stretches are going to be a preparation for your final pose. So first of all, we're coming into the pyramid stretch position. Stretching your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and hold here for 20 counts. Keep lengthening your spine and try to shift your body weight on both your legs by pushing your hip backward. Now very gently placing your palms down. Again start with few dynamic pyramid stretches. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. After 20 dynamic stretches, try to place your palms down, lengthen your spine, take your head close to your shin. And staying in your pyramid position for 20 counts. Same practice, repeat from the other side. Now when your body is completely prepared, we can try to take the asana. But before that, let's check our thigh strength or hip strength. So opening your legs wider according to your height, front foot folded at 90 degree, back foot 45 degrees in, stretch your arm and pushing your pelvic down. Holding the warrior 2 for 20 counts. It will prepare your thigh muscles to take your body weight when you are into your final asana. Now very gently coming up, lengthen your spine and hold your Trikonasana. Very gently come up. Repeat the same practice on other leg as well. Now we'll be using a chair to take our final twisting in Parivritta Trikonasana. So keeping the chair in front of you all. Now opening your legs. Same, your heel should be in one line. Pelvic should be locked to the front. Now holding your waist. Inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, bend forward. This practice we have done in our pyramid. Now lengthening your spine. Very gently start opening your chest. When you feel that body has twisted nicely, stretch your arm up and hold. Come back, bend your front knee, very gently release your stretch and repeat the same from other leg. Now with the block support, we'll be completing our final asana. Holding block in your hand. Same position of your legs. Inhale, stretch your opposite arm up. Exhale, bend forward. If you are a beginner, you can place the block in front of your foot and then start twisting. When you are comfortably able to shift both body weight on both your legs, very gently open your arm and hold your Parivritta Trikonasana. Now the final position without any props. Let's check the preparation and the strength of your body. Inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, bend forward, placing your palm behind your foot, holding your waist, balancing, engaging your core muscles, engaging your quadriceps. Very gently stretch your arm up. Look up or look front according to your comfort. To release, hold your waist, turn your pelvic, bend your front knee, holding your waist, very gently come out and relax. For counter, to relax your hamstring, you can do some butt kicking, release and relax. So this is the whole way how we can practice and improve our Parivritta Trikonasana. When the preparation is strong, definitely your asana will be more confident and comfortable for you. Thank you so much. Happy practicing.